Welcome to a Toonie Blunt TOEFL practice listening test. You will hear an article talking about SORA, the new AI model that creates movies from text. After you have listened to the article, you will answer a series of multiple choice questions. Please listen carefully and choose the best answer for each question. Open your eyes to a new era of video creation. OpenAI's SORA, unveiled just this month, is poised to revolutionize the industry with its ability to generate realistic and dynamic videos from simple text prompts. This isn't animation software in the traditional sense. SORA paints with reality, conjuring stunning landscapes, intricate character interactions, and even nuanced emotions, all based on your words. While the full impact of SORA remains to be seen, early indications suggest significant disruption across multiple sectors. Animation studios could streamline their processes, generating initial drafts within moments. Marketing teams can craft high-quality product demos and explainer videos with unmatched efficiency. The potential in entertainment is even more profound, opening doors to personalized trailers, immersive gaming experiences, and interactive narratives. However, it's crucial to approach SORA with a nuanced perspective. While it may transform certain workflows, it's not intended to replace human creativity. Instead, it presents an opportunity to amplify human ingenuity. Imagine skilled storytellers wielding SORA as a powerful tool, not just generating visuals, but shaping narratives and evoking emotions with unprecedented depth. New roles will undoubtedly emerge, such as SORA wranglers and ethical AI specialists, ensuring responsible and effective utilization of this technology. Technically, SORA leverages its deep understanding of the physical world gleaned from vast datasets. This allows it to go beyond static images, creating smooth interactions between objects, characters, and environments. Whether you envision bustling cityscapes, fantastical creatures, or intricate emotional exchanges, SORA holds the potential to bring it to life. The launch in February 2024 marks the beginning of this exciting journey. While still in its early stages, SORA's potential for positive impact is undeniable. Filmmakers can translate their visions into stunning visuals, entrepreneurs can showcase their ideas with captivating demos, and educators can create engaging learning experiences. The possibilities are vast, limited only by our imagination. Question 1. What is the main purpose of OpenAI's SORA? A. To empower human creativity and storytelling in video creation. B. To understand the physical world through vast datasets. C. To replace traditional animation software with text-based video creation. D. To generate personalized marketing materials for specific consumers. Question 2. How is SORA expected to impact various sectors? A. It will primarily replace jobs in animation studios and marketing teams. B. It will lead to new roles like SORA wranglers and ethical AI specialists. C. It will primarily benefit the entertainment industry for immersive experiences. D. It will offer creators in multiple fields increased efficiency and innovation. Question 3. What is the key difference between SORA and traditional animation software? A. SORA focuses on realistic visuals, while traditional software offers cartoon styles. B. SORA requires coding knowledge, while traditional software is user-friendly. C. SORA generates videos from text descriptions, while traditional software uses manual drawing. D. SORA is open-source software, while traditional software is proprietary. Question 4. Which statement best describes the potential impact of SORA? A. It will create unemployment in creative fields due to automation. B. It will offer limitless possibilities for video creation without human involvement. C. It has the potential to revolutionize video creation but requires responsible use. D. Its impact is still unknown, but it is definitely a cause for concern. Question 5. According to the passage, what is the main limitation of SORA? A. Its reliance on static images hinders dynamic video creation. B. Its early stage of development restricts its widespread adoption. C. Its text-based prompts limit the range of possible video outcomes. D. Its complex technology is inaccessible to most potential users. Question 6. What does the launch of SORA in February 2024 signify? A. The beginning of a new era for video creation possibilities. B. The culmination of years of research in AI technology. C. The end of traditional video creation methods. D. The immediate widespread adoption of SORA across all industries.
Check your answers in the description below, and if this listening practice was of value to you, please subscribe to this channel for more, and don't forget to turn on all notifications. Thanks.